Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Tempo app on iPhone. Tempo is a mobile application designed to help users with smart scheduling, time management and the productivity. And on iPhone it can integrate with calendars, reminders and notification to help you plan your day, tracks, tasks. So first what you have to do is you need to open to your app store first. And on the bottom there's a search bar. Simply type on the search bar and type down Tempo. So before downloading, make sure you have chosen the right app by looking. Simply select this Tempo music video maker. And once you're done, select to this get and simply it asks you for your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password, and this is Apple's way of verifying and it's really you. And wait for the app to download and you'll see a progress circle. And alternatively, the app icon will appear on your home screen. Just tap it anytime to open. And when you first open to this Tempo, it may ask you to create or log into your account. You might need an email, password, username, and after that these help the app organize your schedule and send reminders. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.